is Zara Hadijah. So this semester I learned so much new things across all my course. Some fundamental grammar topic like clauses, tenses that were quite confusing. And for listening and speaking also made me nervous because I need more time to think of the right vocabulary when speaking. And in listening, it's difficult for me, especially when the speakers use a British accent. And for reading and writing, yes, it's also challenged me in many ways. But over time, I started to see progress in all these areas. I become more careful in reading. I become uh, more confident in writing, then more comfortable practicing English overall. I also become more disciplined by taking notes, summarizing text, and reviewing my work before submitting it. Then I also like to watch podcasts or videos in English. Yeah, that's my attitude change because I become more patient with the learning process and more confident in expressing my ideas. So, one of my biggest challenge that was understanding complex or academic readings. The vocabulary was sometimes difficult and the passage were long, so it took me a lot of time to understand and find the main ideas. And another challenge in this major is reading Blue Castle. So it is a long-term assignment that we need to read one chapter 1 week. Then we need to summarize it, give our opinion about that chapter, and we need to list the vocabulary that difficult for me. And then it it was exhausting because the language in that story is very old-fashioned and full of expressions that are not commonly used today. So yeah, there were many unfamiliar words, so this made the reading process much slower and more challenging for me. Several strategies helped me this semester. I highlighted important points while reading, made short summaries, and created outlines before writing essay. I also practiced writing drafts and revising them. These methods were effective because they made reading easier and helped me write more clearly and more organized. I used Google Docs for writing assignment and the Oxford Dictionary to understand the vocabulary. I also used DeepL to check sentence and to translate it when the sentences were difficult for me. Yeah, these tools made my reading and writing tasks easier and more efficient. So, self-reflection for next semester. For next semester, I want to improve my vocabulary, write more smoothly, and read faster with better understanding. I also want to organize my essay better and be more consistent in reviewing my writing. My goal is to become more confident in reading academic texts and expressing my ideas clearly in writing. Okay, so that's my reflection video for this semester, and I realized that I'm not good at managing my time. So sometimes I stress, I overwhelmed with my assignment. Then I need to improve more my time management for the next semester, and maybe I have to read more English book and watch podcasts to improve my speaking and listening. That's it from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.